Our topic for today is parts of the body. Let us learn about the different parts of the body. The head is the main and topmost part of the body. Head consists of the hair and face. The face is the front part of the head. It consists of one forehead, two eyes, one nose, two ears, two cheeks, one mouth with teeth inside, and one chin. This part of the body is called the neck. We can move our head because of our neck. This is the chest. The neck joins the head and chest together. This is the stomach. It lies below the chest. This part of the body is called the shoulder. We have two shoulders. The two arms are joined to the shoulders. Different parts of the arm are elbow, wrist, hand. It consists of 5 digits. 5 digits consist of 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Our legs help us to move from one place to another. Different parts of the leg are thigh, knee, ankle, foot, and 5 toes on each foot. Our legs help us to stand, walk, run, etc. Like our legs, our hands also help us in many ways. They help us to write, eat, hold, etc.